Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you eat eggs every day or are wondering whether you should, this video may surprise you. Let's break down the science behind one of the most debated foods on your plate. Eggs have been both praised and feared. Some call them a superfood, while others worry about cholesterol. But what does the latest research say? A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating up to one egg per day does not increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. In fact, eggs are rich in choline, B vitamins, and essential amino acids, all critical for brain function and metabolism. Another study from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health showed that moderate egg consumption may even support eye health and reduce inflammation, thanks to antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. But here's the catch. How your body responds to eggs depends on your overall diet and inflammation levels. If you are eating eggs alongside processed foods, refined oils, or sugar, the benefits may be cancelled out. That's where the Aster diet makes the difference. In my book, Eat to Heal, I show you how to integrate nutrient-rich foods like eggs into a balanced anti-inflammatory lifestyle that supports energy, hormone balance, and disease prevention. It's not about eliminating, it's about combining foods wisely. And to make this even easier, I'm offering a free health coach consultation to help you customize the Aster diet for your unique body. You'll learn how to build healing meals, reduce inflammation, and reclaim your health naturally. Click the link below to grab your copy of Eat to Heal and schedule your free consultation today.